Saan kayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta?
England.
Ah, saan kayo pupunta?
We're going to England.
Happy na kayo? Happy?
And so cute.
So cute. Papa also, right?
Also me. Mama also. We got 2 bears. Yeah.
Happy? Okay.
I like bears.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you. Love you, love you.
Love you. And say peace. A peace. A peace. Look at me. Order me. Order me. But chew with your mouth closed because that's good, man.
Good mother, good mother.
Look what I'm doing.
Nutella.
Look. Look.
Oh, ikaw din. Ay, ito mag-gawa naman. Ay, nilagay niya lang.
Yeah, I'm going to open it. Step by step.
Bye. Kuya. Huh?
The famous grass there.
What?
There.
Layla, you don't need to touch it, okay? Where's Mama? Layla. Layla. Ready na? Yung dalawa?
Layla's going to share her bag.
Yung galit. Yui. Kuya. May tapos na kamaya mo.
We're going to the plane.
Haha, suma?
I say peace.
Wird in Kürze zu Ihnen kommen.
Yep.
Vielen Dank.
We're going to the plane. I don't need the window. Okay. You say so. Oh, bakit ito yung...
Kuya. Kuya na.
Oh my gosh.
It's fast like Sonic. Tara ba? Saan? Yay! Hey, mama! Dito na kami sa Manchester! Kuya. Hello.
Uncle Dustina and Eduardo is going to pick us up.
Yeah, we still have to wait.
and Mia. I thought it was Uncle Dustina and Eduardo.
At Auntie Julia and Mia. All of them.
All of them. How?
Oh, kuya, nasaan ka na ngayon?
England time.
England. And you?
And we already go to airplane. We already go there.
Okay.
We,
We're just waiting for them, okay? Hello! Okay, tas, tingin. Hello! Hello! Okay na? Yes, okay na. Happy na ikaw? Dito tayo?
I'm starting to love England.
Okay.
Yes, you want to eat?
I'm addicted to Alexa. Of course, because Alexa.
That's why I'm not allowed to have an Alexa yet.
I'm allowed to have a first because White starts first.
Yes.
So how does the rock work again?
He moves straight, but he can't go on top of this, so he has to wait till this moves out.
Okay, so what is this one?
It goes forward or twice in the first move.
Why is it?
Yeah, in the first move. Only in the first move. The knight can jump.
Okay, so now I can go straight. But so
Every game, may coin ka ng reward. Bawat coin, pwede kang mag-game. As, Anton. Year 2. Spelling bee. My cards. Right.
Eddie, Eduardo. Hi.
go there.
Dead people. So yeah. Lamig! Ang ganda.
Wait, now it's again. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Hi. Hello.
When I go,
Hi.
can I pray?
Wait. Al, ito ka. Al, smile. Hi. Hello. Screenshot ko na lang. Yeah, you can pray later, okay? Hello, Jokre.
Tante, mag-start na tayo mag-pack.
Leila.
Oh, first wait.
Leia. Leila.
And watch me.
Mia.
Baon na tayo bukas.
May pang-almusal.
Ang sa baon na.
Kuya. Kuya again.
Pizza.
You like it? Layla.
Meron ng good cheese.
Birmingham, Alabama. Yun ang Birmingham. West and south. Nice M5.
Al. Al. Hi. Oh, we go now. We go now. Now, don't move.
Spaghetti.
Hi. Hi.
The trees is falling down, falling down, falling down. All the trees is falling down.
Das, tingin ka.
Where's the Tower Bridge?
Das, tingin ka.
Hello.
Eduardo.
Eduardo.
Where are you? Eduardo. Okay lang. Don't touch my phone. Hi. Nasaan ka, kuya?
England.
Yeah, I know. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge ikaw? Yung London Bridge is falling down?
All the trees is falling down. Spaghetti. Sushi. Sushi. Dolphin.
On my camera, 1, 2, 3, sushi.
Seaweed.
Ano, hindi ko alam kung paano to sa'yo.
Wow, ganda naman.
Marcos. Eduardo. Felicia. Felicia.
Hi.
Cheese. 1, 2, 3. Spaghetti. Why do you put
Stand up on here. And then
Nasaan tayo? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alupas. Come. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Tama na, Chay. May mga pulubi.
what do you want?
May mga pulubi. Mga pulubi sila nasa London. Yung mga beggars.
Kami ba yun?
Oo, alam. And
Baby, you stay here lang kayo sa Mother Teacher na.
yan, mga pulubi sa London. Hello. Mami sa Kuha na kayo. Try this.
I want to see that.
Nila.
Rice
Ay, wala pa lomi. Wala pa. Good kuya. Mal. Kumain na ka.
This is a District Line train to Tower Hill. The next station is
I think but I can also find like
Anak ko ang kape.
Sonic
Kape.
and Mario and Pokemon.
Come on, let's go now. We're here na eh. Balik tayo.
Safari Park. Kuya, welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle.
Safari drive-thru. Yung aking mukha lang. Ay, si Dust, pasok ka na.
Punta tayo sa Safari Park. Safari.
Drive-thru meron, pwede ka mag-order dito ng animal.
Safari Park. That's the lion. Wala na, bagal mo kuya eh. Yan ang lion lang oh. Ida, can you see the lion? The lion?
He's one hour awake and then one is sleepy.
Lumabas sa side ko.
White tiger.
Bumira.
How did he do that?
Ko.
We asked that.
Kuya.
Elephant! Where's she moving? But she's not moving.
Nagda-diet siya.
She looks like she's fighting.
Wala, ang laki oh.
The giraffe was too
Wow.
good. The
Oh,
giraffe was too good. I need hugging that tree.
Look at that.
Wow, ang laki.
Nakatingin
Nakatingin lang siya oh. Kuya, lagot na kuya, hinahanap na. Kuya. Ang dami.
He's looking at me! That one's looking at me! Yeah, that giraffe looking at me also! That tree...
Hi.
Hi.
Ay, oh, lalapit sa amin. Ay, takot ako. Takot ako. Baka mandura. Anong gawin dito? Kuya. Lapit. Nasa labas lang.
looking at me! He's looking at me! I think he's looking at me!
Yeah.
He's looking at me! Yes, he's looking at me! He's looking at me!
Ayan. Kaya Kayo, ha? Nakita nyo ang lions, animals, giraffe. Next time again, okay? Ha? And also a bear, right? Bye-bye! Okay, next time again. Okay? Oh. Jollibee! After 20 years. After 20 years, makakapasok ko sa Jollibee. Ngayon lang ulit ako, kikilabutol ako, kahit Jollibee lang. Ay, 20 years ako di ako punta dito eh.
I need a pee.
Mas wala ka. Ayan, wait. Yeah. Bibi. Masarap Jollibee. Sarap.
Oh, spicy.
Bibi. Ano naman eh?
I have pasta.
Kuya.
I have
Kuya. Kuya.
Liam, Papa is calling you.
Gusto mo Jollibee? Sabi kay Tante Sarah, hi. Kaya kay Tante Sarah.
Mama, I like with burger. This is the papa.
Toink. Sarah, oh. Simot. Hello. Fine. Toink. Ah, sinila naman. Happy ka?
Cover.
Yeah?
Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
I don't need help.
Ah, okay.
Ah, God!
Press your legs. Press your legs then. 1, 2, 3.
Happy? Ha? Happy ikaw? At wait, si Kuya naman. Oh, pala.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, now it's my turn.
Oh, slow down.
My turn.
Kuya naman, kuya naman, kuya naman. You're next.
I don't need help.
Oh, be careful. 1, 2, 3 ka, kuya.
Go, son! No! No, I don't need help!
Leila! Leila, hi! Hi! Come, Papa, come! Here! Loko itong bagay. Love you!
Di ba lamig daw?
Ganda ka ng weather. Buti, pauwi na naman kami bukas. Pero, na-experience namin yung summer na, summer yung pagpunta dito na maganda-ganda weather.
Parang gano'n.
Actually, I'm gonna do what?
Sa Gulf Air, ano? Dalawang 35.
Hello, each. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ito tayo. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami, Mama. Mama. Bye-bye. Uwi. Uwi na tayo. Bye-bye! Yes, uwi na kami. Baby. Baby, uwi na kami, Mama. Uwi na kami. Woo! Smile. Tama to. Send natin kito kay Kuya Eduardo. Medyo malungkot si Kuya. Kasi uwi na kami. Next time again, okay? Punta tayo England ulit, okay? Mama! Mama! Dito kami sa Germany, Kuya! Ah, bye-bye! Sa Germany na ulit! Hey! Hey! Hello! Ah, sa Germany na. Bye-bye na. Nakauwi din sa wakas. Ciao, ciao! Peace! Peace! Kuya? Kuya, dito tayo sa Germany. Next time we go again sa England, okay? Uwi na kami! Bye-bye!
I want to live in England.
Me too. Gusto kong tumira England, okay? Bye-bye! Peace! Always remember, mind the gap!